Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Super Mario Bros. Wii on your PC using an easy method. First, you'll need to download a Wii emulator, such as Dolphin, which is a popular choice. Make sure your computer meets the recommended system specifications for smooth gameplay. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation of the emulator software, which usually takes just a few minutes to complete. Next, you'll need to obtain the game file for Super Mario Bros. Wii. This file, often referred to as an ISO or WBFS, contains all the game data. It's crucial to ensure the file is in a format that your chosen emulator can read. Once you have the game file, save it to a convenient location on your computer, perhaps in a dedicated games folder, for easy access later. Now, open the Dolphin emulator and navigate to the folder where you saved your Super Mario Bros. Wii game file. You'll want to spend a few moments configuring the settings. Adjust the graphics to your preference, perhaps increasing the resolution for a sharper image. Also, set up your controller, whether it's a keyboard, gamepad, or even a connected Wii remote, for the best gaming experience. Don't forget to save your settings. With everything set up, you're ready to dive into the Mushroom Kingdom. Simply double-click the Super Mario Bros. Wii title within the emulator to start the game. You'll likely notice improved visuals compared to the original console, thanks to the emulator's capabilities. Feel free to experiment with various settings, like internal resolution or anti-aliasing, to find the perfect balance between performance and visual fidelity for your specific computer. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.